If you caught yesterday's video, then you are aware that my 47-cent price target for HOLO has been broken. With that being said, the major retracement from that 49-cent peak may have gotten a lot of retail investors in a panic state. Stick around. You may want to hear my end of the day price prediction for HOLO. Also, we're going to take a brief look at MULN stock. MULN. Is this the short-term turnaround that we all have been waiting for? Stick around. I'm going to give you my thoughts on that. Also, don't forget to get over to the live stream, which starts in 71 minutes. 10 a.m. Central Time. So if you're interested in a live trading session with live options trading, make sure you get over here and click that notify me button so you will get a notification once the live starts. I will have the link posted at the end of this video, or you can just click the tab that's pinned in the comment section below. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. And first stock we're going to talk about here in today's video is MULN stock. Now, as you all know, MULN is seeing a surge here today with no news. If we take a brief look and just check out the day chart, as you guys can see here, MULN has been in a total falling wedge situation, and levels that we want to see this thing break in order for us to consider this thing actually is in a short-term turnaround. MULN has to break those $4.80 levels here in order to break that resistance. Another thing that I want you guys to pay very close attention to here in MULN, and that is that market cap. Okay, if you have been keeping up with the channel for quite some time, then you are aware. I made a video months ago letting everyone know once MULN actually gets under $100 million in market cap, things are going to get very, very bad, and we're going to see the company making strange strategic moves. With that being said, a 6 million market cap and a share float under that, much lower than that, it doesn't take a lot of buying or selling to sway the share price. Current volume is close to 4 million, and that turnover ratio is almost to 300%. So we're seeing a lot of buying and selling for a profit here today. If you're currently holding MULN stock and you want to see a end of the day video update, just comment the ticker symbol MULN. If we can get 20 of those, ladies and gentlemen, I will be doing a MULN update here. Now, as far as this thing being the short-term turnaround, it is hard. It is hard to call this early, but it seems as though that MULN does have more room to run on the day, ultimately reaching and breaching those $4 levels with the high so far of that $3.97 throughout the trading day. Like I said before, we should be breaking this $4 mark here pretty darn soon. All right, so with that being said, let's get to HOLO. And if you're still here with me, can you please comment in the comment section below the words "still here with you"? Okay, now HOLO. Like I said before, if you did catch yesterday's video, then you are aware of my 47-cent price target, which was actually reached and breached here this morning. So with that being said, if you did take that advice, give yourself a pat on the back. Now, as you guys can see here, we're bouncing off that lower band here in HOLO on the Bollinger. What we do want to see here is us crossing those 42-cent levels. Okay, if we do cross those 42-cent levels here throughout the trading day, we may see this thing rebound towards those 47-cent levels here today. If we go to the day chart, as you guys can see here, challenged that upper. Like I told you guys in yesterday's video, we're going to be challenging those 37-cent levels here today off of that upper, which we did broke that here throughout the pre-market hours, and we're facing retracement. Now, this isn't a panic situation at all, ladies and gentlemen. I do feel as though that we're going to recover a lot of that retracement that we did receive here today back towards those 47-cent levels. If we look at yesterday's short sell analysis, as you guys can see here, the volume was a huge pickup from Friday for sure, coming from 48 million in total volume to 146 million in total volume. Now, that total short volume Not high at all. Short sale ratio extremely low, ladies and gentlemen. 2.85%. So we didn't get that huge short sale ratio that we did expect here from yesterday's trading. So it's more than likely that we may not see a short cover wave take place here today in HOLO. If we do see a turnaround, it's going to solely be just people buying the dip here today. Not a likelihood of a short cover. Expectations for the end of the day for HOLO. I do feel as though that the stock is going to close above those 42-cent levels, which will be a nice bull flag for tomorrow, crossing that mid Bollinger Band here on the 5. 41-cent levels. We should cross the 15. We should cross on the 15-minute interval, as well as, let's check out our 4-hour. And of course, we're still going to be in the upper on the 4-hour. So, yeah, we want to cross those 42-cent levels for sure, especially close above it. And that will be, again, a continuation of our bull flag here on the day chart. Early warning signal overall. We're making a recovery from that 1-minute positive signal here on the 60 early warning signal. So again, if you're still holding HOLO and today's retracement didn't shake you out of your position, please comment in the comment section below, still holding. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, don't forget to join the live stream, which starts in 65 minutes, and may the gains be with you. Want to know how to sign up for the Discord? Well, click the video on the left. And if you do want to subscribe to my main YouTube channel, click the channel link in the middle and check out my latest video on the right.